Once the overall installation activity completed through mobile app, then we can change the status as a project handover. Also, we can see the percentage of activity completion through mobile app over here. We'll change the status till project handover like this. And also, if you want to download, upload any document regarding this particular unit for the installation, design, and any particular document related to the unit, that you can upload it from here. For site management, like format any BSR activity, MOM, or service inquiry related document, that also you can add it from here. And also, if you have downloaded any other document or any other file related to this, that will be shown over here like this. The overall activity we complete through a site module regarding installation. Also, if you want to check for the reports, in that case you can select the list reports and you can check the installation regarding reports under the report section, like whatever the projects are scheduled, whatever the project budget with specs, that also you can check. Project details you can check under the project details report. Also, you can check the project installation cost analysis. Site app activity log you can check through ERP, whatever the plan start date, end date, actual start date for this that particular project, project name, stage and activity, that you can see in the site app activity log report. Work in project activity percentage also, if you want to check, that also you can check in this report. Site app uploaded progress, that also you can check in this report. Whatever the activity we have uploaded, whatever the percentage, whatever the progress stage, that also unit wise we can check in this report. For example, we'll check for Pune branch with the site name. Now you can see the site name, who will be the who was the FOD for that particular number, location, state, city, what was the percentage and project stage and uploaded date. Also, if you want to check the dashboard, you can check the dashboard from here. Here in dashboard, you can see the line is showing month-wise handed over units. For the month of January, 19 units was handover. For the fifth month, you can see the 11 units are handover. Like this, you can see for every month. Branch-wise project, you can check. As I have access for Pune branch, there are 1249 projects are added in the Pune branch. If you want to check for that particular project, in that case, you can check. And if you want to get the report for these particular units, you can download the Excel report from here. Also, you can check the pie chart status wise for how many projects are not scheduled in not scheduled status, how many projects are in scheduled status, 30% completion and handover project, like this. Also, you can check branch wise miscellaneous sales order we have added, that also you can check over here. Stage wise miscellaneous sales order approved, that will be shown in blue color, and also you can check for green color for the new status. Month wise sales closed unit also you can check for the month of November 24. 40 units was the closed in closed status. Like this you can check for every month. Also in the notification section you can check the total units to be handed over. There are 310 units were handed over. Pending GNR for projects, that also you can check. Also you can check for the total POs to be created and total PR to be released. Like this. When you click on view details, in that case you can see in detail project. And if you want to download the Excel report for this particular unit, that also you can download from here. Like this you can check the dashboard.